permits are almost vested. So, while on Carl's bus, you follow Carl's rules. No shenanigans, no antics, and no tomfoolery.
Tom?
So this ends now, or you're gonna see a side of Carl you do not want to see. Do I make myself clear?